The Hutterite Blacksmith represents the mastery of a timeless skill. The Amish have their own world of incredible craftsmanship, especially with wood. To see that side of the story, make sure you subscribe to The Colony Legacy for our upcoming documentary, 5 Amish Woodworking Secrets. This video was about the value of things built to last. What is the oldest, most durable tool or item you own? Share its story in the comments. Go to any hardware store today. You'll find tools designed to be replaced, not repaired. We live in a world of planned obsolescence, where things are built to break. But what if there was a place where a simple farm tool was forged with such skill that it could be passed down from a grandfather to his grandson? A place where steel is given a soul. Today, we're refiring up the forge to unlock 10 ancient Hutterite blacksmith secrets for tools that outlast modern steel. This is a masterclass in durability, so if you believe in quality that lasts a lifetime, make sure you subscribe. Welcome back to The Colony Legacy. In the heart of every Hutterite colony, there is a place of fire, steel, and incredible transformation: the blacksmith shop. It is more than a workshop. It is a living link to their past and a forge for their future. While the world chases what is new, the Hutterite blacksmith honors what is timeless. Today, we're decoding the blueprint of their enduring craft. Secret number 1, the Forge-Weld. The first secret is a technique that seems like magic to modern eyes: the Forge-Weld. Before modern electric welders, this was how you joined 2 pieces of steel into one. The blacksmith heats 2 pieces of metal in the forge until they reach a brilliant, almost liquid, yellow-white heat. At that precise moment, the pieces are brought to the anvil and hammered together with rapid, expert blows. The metal fuses, not as 2 pieces stuck together, but as a single, seamless new piece of steel, often stronger at the weld than anywhere else. This ancient technique is still used for critical repairs where absolute strength is required. Secret number 2, the art of tempering. Making a tool hard is easy. Making it both hard and tough, so it holds an edge without shattering, is an art. This is the secret of tempering. After a tool is forged and shaped, it is heated to a critical temperature and then quenched in water or oil, making it glass-hard and extremely brittle. The real magic comes next. The blacksmith carefully cleans the steel and then slowly reheats it. As the temperature rises, a beautiful spectrum of colors, from pale straw to deep blue, travels across the surface of the steel. Each color represents a precise temperature and a specific level of hardness. A skilled blacksmith reads these colors like a book, stopping the heating process at the exact moment to achieve the perfect balance of hardness and flexibility for that specific tool. It is a science of color and heat. Secret number 3, the scrap is gold philosophy. In a modern workshop, a broken piece of machinery is scrap metal, sold for pennies. In a Hutterite workshop, it is a treasure trove of high-quality steel. They understand that old farm equipment, especially from decades ago, was often made with superior high-carbon steel. This scrap is their raw material. An old leaf spring from a truck becomes a powerful knife. A worn-out plowshare is reforged into a durable shovel. This philosophy of seeing value and potential in what others discard is a cornerstone of their self-sufficiency and economic wisdom. Secret number 4, the multi-generational hammer. The tools of a Hutterite blacksmith are not disposable. Many of the hammers, tongs, and anvils in their workshops are themselves artifacts, passed down through generations. A young blacksmith learns his trade using the same hammer his great-grandfather used. This creates a profound connection to his heritage. The tool is not just an object, it is a vessel of history, a physical link in an unbreakable chain of knowledge. This respect for the tools themselves instills a deep commitment to quality in the work they produce. Secret number 5, the functional design. Look at a tool made by a Hutterite blacksmith. You will find no unnecessary decoration, no cosmetic flourishes. Every curve, every angle, every ounce of steel has a purpose. The design is ruthlessly functional. The handle is shaped not for beauty, but for a perfect, comfortable grip that can be held for hours. The blade is weighted not for looks, but for the perfect balance in the hand. This philosophy of form follows function results in tools that are not only durable but are a natural extension of the user's body. This dedication to quality and self-sufficiency in the workshop is a mirror of the efficiency they practice in their communal kitchen. To see how they apply this same built-to-last philosophy to feed 150 people every day, don't miss our deep dive into their kitchen secrets. Check the description for the link to 10 Hutterite kitchen secrets. Secret number 6, the slow cool. Just as important as heating the steel is how it is cooled. For certain applications where toughness is more important than hardness, the blacksmith will not quench the steel in water. Instead, after the final forging, he will bury the red-hot piece in a bucket of ash or sand. This allows the steel to cool down incredibly slowly, over many hours or even a full day. This process, called annealing, relieves the internal stresses in the metal, making it far less brittle and much more resistant to shock and impact. It is a lesson in patience. Secret number 7, the sharpening ritual. A tool is only as good as its edge. The Amish and Hutterites share a deep belief in meticulous maintenance. A blacksmith's job doesn't end when the tool is made. He also teaches the user the proper way to sharpen and care for it. A sharpening stone is as important as the anvil. This ritual of regular maintenance ensures that a well-made tool can perform at its peak, not just for a year, but for a lifetime. It's a mindset that is completely alien to our modern throwaway culture. Secret number 8, the custom tool for the custom job. Perhaps the greatest advantage of having a master blacksmith in your community is the ability to create the perfect tool for a specific, unique problem. If a piece of modern machinery has a recurring weak point, the blacksmith won't just order the same replacement part that's destined to fail again. He will analyze the problem and forge a new, redesigned part from superior steel that solves the problem permanently. Their workshop is not just for repair, it's a center for innovation. Secret number 9, the community anvil. A large, high-quality anvil can weigh hundreds of pounds and cost a fortune. It's the centerpiece of any blacksmith shop. In our world, it's a massive individual investment. In the Hutterite world, it is the community anvil. This shared ownership allows them to have a workshop equipped with tools, heavy anvils, powerful forges, trip hammers that would be impossible for any single individual to own. It's a powerful example of their philosophy that collective resources create collective strength. Secret number 10, the lifetime guarantee. Mindset. When a Hutterite blacksmith forges a tool, he isn't thinking about a one-year warranty. He is building something with his name and his community's reputation attached to it. He is building it to last a lifetime. His lifetime, his son's lifetime, and his grandson's lifetime. This profound commitment to durability, this lifetime guarantee mindset, is the final and most important secret. It is a promise forged in fire and steel. Here at the Colony Legacy, we believe that is a legacy worth rediscovering. Before you go, remember, every blacksmith's journey is forged in the heat of curiosity community. If you've enjoyed uncovering these shop secrets, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell to never miss a spark from our forge. We'd love to hear from you. Which secret surprised you most? Do you have a shop tradition of your own? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your story might just inspire our next video. Thank you for being part of this tradition. Stay inspired. Keep the fire burning. See you in the next one.